Snowdrop is a perennial herbaceous plant belonging to the Amaryllidaceae family. Native to South-Central Europe and now widely cultivated in temperate zones. It grows to 10–30 cm tall, has a bulbous stem, strap-shaped dark green leaves, and drooping, bell-shaped white flowers with green spots on the inner petals. With its unique flower shape and pure white color, it combines cold hardiness with ornamental value.